would read that disclaimer. We get right over here on the charts. We covering, welcome everybody to the channel. We coming to you with XCN on the charts. XCN sitting at 00476, up 1.49% on the day. We're looking at the 1 hour chart here. XCN's been traveling up. We got a channel here. I wanted to bring it to your attention. We got a downward channel here. That's the top of the channel. That's the bottom of the channel. And within inside this channel, we're in an upward trend a little bit, trying to get back to the top of the channel right here. I want to show you this channel right here. We're going through right here, making higher lows on the way up, and wanted to bring that to your attention. Not pushing up really hard on XCN, but it is moving up. Looking to see if we can get back up to the top of this channel here. Right now, we're currently above the 382 on the fib retracement. Bitcoin's moving up. I think it's at around $70,000. Showing some bullish momentum for this month so far. Even though, if you look over here, we'll cover the VIX. The VIX was up today. It run all the way up here to 35. That was really high when the market opened this morning. Right now it's 10:48 p.m. Today's the 9th month of March 2026. So we've pushed our way down. We're still above 20. So we still got, the market still ain't completely stable yet. Anything above 20 on the VIX is a very, unstable market. We ain't got no stability in the crypto market. So, and let's see, I haven't looked at the crude oil chart, but let's look and see where the fear and greed index is. Let me refresh this. And we have moved up on the fear and greed index. We're still in extreme fear, but today we started the day out at 8. So now we're sitting at 13. So we have moved up 5 on the fear and greed index. I was looking at the overall market on Bitcoin, and I do believe that we're going to have a small rally this month on Bitcoin before we have another major drop pullback in the crypto market. I'm looking for right here. Let's see where the crude oil. It was over $100. It was like $113 or something a day. Let me refresh this to make sure we got the accurate look. And they have done something. These countries have come together pulling oil out of their reserves, I heard. And we got, this morning, oil was over $100 a barrel. It was like 113, 114. It got up way up there. So now it's come down. It's at $86.53. The S&P 500's up 0.83%. The Nasdaq's up 1.32%, and gold's going back up. It was a little over 5,000 this morning. It's at 50. It's almost at 5,200 now. And like I say, oil is come down 8.6. Let's see if there's any news. Stocks tank. I don't know. I just don't know. I seen something on that, but we're gonna get back over here on the charts of XCN. The Russell it came down a little bit, but it started going back up and it's pulled back down a little bit. Bitcoin dominance is running up. It's at 59.45. So, but really, Bitcoin's up 3% today. But on the new day, we almost we 2 hours and 51 minutes on the new day. Wanted to give you an update on that. And XCN, it's starting to move up a little bit. Let's see. Let's get back on the chart with XCN. It's at $1.40, 1.49% up today. So where can we see XCN heading? This is the 1 hour chart. I do get this. I do believe, but we not got a lot of volume, as you can see in here, on XCN. We do have some buying coming in here, more than we do have selling. We had some good spike right here, 2 good spikes, 2 good hours of volume right here that pushed it up, and then we had 2 hours there of pulling back. And it didn't take much volume on the pulling back side of it. The selling, they came in here and started selling off the XCN. So now we're trying to get back up to, again, looking to retest the zero here at 0.0483 on the 1 hour chart. We got 2 good areas of support right here, as you can see on the 1 hour chart. Let's look at the 4 hour. Not really got nothing on the 4 hour, but this is the support, really, the support level right here, between 0.0478 down to 0.0461 on the daily. You can see right here. I got this channel we was channeling down in, and we came down, hit this bottom of the channel. Now we're going back up towards the top. Now, on March the 8th, we did spike up and hit that top channel, trend line on that channel. Sold off, and now we hit it back up again. If we can get more volume to come in here, we could push our way back up here at 0.0566. Try to get through above the 0.0580. Turn this area. If we can come in, we can push up, hit this resistance level, get above this 0.0600. We can turn this level of resistance into a level of support if we can stay and hold here long enough. Getting above 0.0581, kind of consolidating up here. Work our way back up here and just consolidate, coming across here till we turn this level of support, resistance, into a level of support. Is what I'm trying to get at. But right now, we need to push back up. We got enough time in the day, hoping that we can get back up, above the 5 here, up at the 382 at 0.0524. So I'm looking for Bitcoin to keep rallying. It could rally somewhere around 75,000 before, and just consolidating up there before having another major pullback. So by this time, if you've been accumulating XCN, Onyxcoin, you've probably bought in anywhere from, you probably bought in anywhere up here 3-4 cents, and now we way back down here to a little below a half a cent. So, we could see prices back up there 3 or 4 cents somewhere, and we could see a rally back up there probably somewhere in 2027. Have a good alt season in 2027. I don't see us getting back up there no 4 and 5 cent here lately in the next time frame. We've had these micro bursts with XCN. We rallied back over here on January the 19th, 2025. Then we came back down. Then it was another push back up, and we got somewhere around 0027. But this one right here, this is where we topped out during the blow off top that we had in this alt season for Bitcoin's bull run top. We almost back, we could come down a lot more, but we ain't too far from bear market lows. I don't know how much that is. Let's see for a minute. We'll check it out. It's still, let me get this off of there, across. Let's see, we're somewhere about right there. What? I know I hit the measure. That's still another 70% drop down there where the bottom is. I don't think we're going that far down. Nope, I don't think we're going that far down, but we could, because Bitcoin's going to pull back another 50%. But I'm just telling you, don't sell your XCN. Don't sell it unless you got to. Now, if you got to, you got to do what you got to do. Let's get back to the 4-hour chart. This is an area of support right here. But we need some volume to come in. If we lose this, we could be coming back down to the bottom right here next to the bottom, hitting it, coming down to 00446. But like I say, I don't see on the 1-hour chart. So that's the 446 down here. We could come down to the 1.618 down here. If Bitcoin don't hold up and pulls back, we could see ourselves coming down somewhere in between the 1.618 and the 1 right here. Still staying within this downward trend, but this area right here has been holding up pretty good. You can see slightly, it's making higher highs as it's come through here. So one more dip down, we could push to the top of the range up here. And get, with volume accumulating, coming in, spot buying, we could push above. I'd love to see us get back above this 382 right here. Get back up to the top of the range up here is what I'm hoping at, 0.5 cent. But it's just hard to say right now because Bitcoin is pushing right on up. But necessarily, XCN ain't going too much up with it. And that concerns me. You got XRP, it's up 1.90%. But XCN's doing better than ZBEC, SUI. So I'd have to say it's above average of the, higher rated coins, It's doing better than Bitcoin Cash. Flare, it's starting to push up now. So that's a good sign. It's holding like near somewhere with like World Liberty. It's doing better than XDC is. So Stronghold's about 4% up on the new day. So I'm saying, we could if this. I'm saying we need more volume to come in, and it could come in at any time, y'all. It could come in at any time. I'd say if we could get volume like we had right here at 5.5 or 6, 6 or 7 million, is where we was at right here, and we had almost 8 million right here. But right now, or the previous hour, we had 3 million. So when we can get double the volume to come in here, we can push up through these resistance levels. I do believe. Well, we got these little areas of resistance levels right here to get through. Then we got this one up here that sets at the 00513. There it is right there. We get above the 00513, we're going much higher. So I want to come and give you an update on it. Right now, if it's just hard for somebody to come on here with the way the market is and say, hey, we're going much higher. And it's just making higher. It's going to make a decision after a while. It's making higher lows. Basically, somewhat wicking up in this resistance area up here, getting rejected. At some point, I do believe that we can break through and get it to 382, right at the 00490. And then if we could turn this area right here in a level of support that's been resistance, we can work our way, consolidate up here for a little while, come back in, and after we make this support, come back in and push right on up, get higher, get above this resistance at the 0.5%. So wanted to come give you an update. I ain't gonna keep you here too long. I want to say God bless each and every one of you. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and till the next one, God bless you.